Craig. As part of National Sexual Assault Awareness Month, hundreds were taking part in an annual walk today in Troy. Walk a mile in her shoes, the name of the campaign. As Lynn Falsetti reports, it's geared toward women, but it highlights men and boys as victims too.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 23 million women have been raped during their lifetimes, and 1 in 5 women will become a victim. So to raise money and awareness, men and women put on a pair of their highest heels and walked a mile. While the event was called Walk a Mile in Her Shoes, the issues of rape and domestic violence don't discriminate.
I was sexually abused by an older brother at the age of 11, and it took me many, many years to actually realize the impact that it had on me.
Tom Andriolla knows all too well. He says it was the services he received from the Sexual Assault and Crime Victims Program at Samaritan Hospital that helped him to have a normal life today. It took him 14 years to speak out.
I was petrified. I was scared. The message that you get by your offender is one of fear, even if it's not outwardly spoken.
But not everyone is able to speak out.
Rape and sexual assault they're the most underreported crime. Really less than 15% of people choose to report the crime to the police. So we know that there's a lot more happening than is even being reported officially to the police and law enforcement.
The Sexual Assault and Crime Victims Program is hoping that this event not only raises money, but inspires those who have been victimized to come forward and seek help.
We have a 24-hour crisis hotline, so we're available to people whenever they need us to answer questions, give them counseling, be of assistance. But then we also have short and long-term counseling and therapy, support groups. We provide medical and legal advocacy and accompaniment. And then a big part of what we do is we try to prevent these crimes from happening in the first place.
We are told that this walk is their biggest fundraiser of the year. They'll earn between $40,000 and $50,000 just on Saturday alone. They tell us that's enough money to continue their services for rape and domestic violence victims for an entire year. If you'd still like to help but you weren't able to make it out, you can still do so. We have all the information on how you can do so. That's on our website, cbs6albany.com. In Troy, Lynn Falsetti, CBS 6 News.